Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Joanna Moshka. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. So in today's video, from the title, is a very interesting video I'm so happy to share my knowledge about. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and I would love to hear from you in the comment section. So let's dive right into the video. Smelling good is a priority to me, like it's something that makes me feel confident. When I get dressed, my dressing is incomplete without me smelling good. Like it helps my confidence. It's a confidence booster. Like when I smell good, I feel good and confident. So when I see people not smelling good, I'm like, some people, the thing is that some people don't even know they don't smell nice. Like, how won't you know? Don't you smell yourself? So in this video, I'll be sharing with you practical steps on how to smell good on a budget. I'll be showing you the products I use and the prices. So the very first step to smelling good is your shower routine. Like your shower routine is the foundation to smelling good. Like if you don't, you have to bath daily, like in the morning and in the night, twice daily. Like you have to scrub out all those microorganisms on your body after a day's work. You've gone out, you came back, you have to scrub out all those things, all the dirt on your body basically. So the products I use this Joy soap, Joy Black soap. I love this soap because it doesn't strip my body of moisture. My body is still moisturized and it removes all the dirt. And I also use this K Brothers. I use K Brothers. Also, I use this one on my face to for my pimples, my acne. I basically works for my acne. It helps my skin look fresh like that of a baby. I would advise for you to go for these two because they are quite affordable. You can get them in the supermarket. Any close by supermarket always have these two products. So check them out. So the next step is to moisturize your skin. I know you're about keeping your body moistured and all, but you should get a lotion that smells good. I currently use this lotion from Nivea. This product has done a lot to me. Like I've been sleeping on this, guys. You guys should not sleep on this. It's very good for my skin. Like it helps my skin feel moisture. My skin is not dried up. It's really good. I used to not be a lotion person because I used to sweat a lot. But me trying this Nivea product, it has helped my skin in so many ways. It removed some dark circles, dark lines. Like my skin is more fresh and is good. I also use this aloe vera cooling gel on my face. Like it helps my face to be moistured, it gives my face that glowy look I love so much. So I will highly recommend this and this. I use this one on my face and I use this one on my body. So you guys, these are quite affordable. You should just after you use your lotion, you don't stop there. You're just starting the layering process. Like you've not gotten to half of the process. So the next step is a step you should not miss, and that's using of deodorant. I currently use this deodorant I got from Nivea. I love this deodorant so much because it has this creamy feel to the skin. I was using spray before, but I stopped using it because it has this aluminium. It has aluminium in it, and it always makes my armpits dark. So I stopped using sprays basically because of the aluminium inside, and I couldn't find anyone that didn't have aluminium. So I went with this. You guys should not sleep on these. These are really good for your armpits. Like it keeps there really smelling nice like throughout the day. You don't sweat. Even though you sweat, you don't smell. Like even if you perceive yourself, you won't smell anything. So yeah, you guys should jump on this and it's really, really affordable. You can get this in any supermarket around you. So the next step is the use of perfume oils. I would advise you to get perfume oils because they are more cheaper than buying perfumes, and you can get different varieties with perfume oil and they're cheaper. So I currently use this YSL Libra. I'll leave the link in my description box where I got it from. I got it from an Instagram vendor on Instagram. Her name is Crystal Scent. Shout out to you, Crystal Scent. So I'll be tagging her in my description box and also on this video too. So yeah, I got the marshmallow pumpkin. These were actually freebies I got for my perfume, from the perfume I bought. So and this YSL, this smells so good. Like you guys should not sleep on this YSL and this marshmallow pumpkin. So yeah. Perfumes are not something to shy away from or run away from. They are necessities and they are very important. Like some people say their bodies are natural perfumes. Sis, your body is not a natural perfume. You need to get a good perfume. And I'll be recommending some for you today. So I currently use this perfume from Beguile by Oma called Goddess. This smells so amazing. If you want to smell expensive, you should get yourself one of these. I'll be tagging her in my description box and also on the screen. I also use this perfume, Musuf. Oh my god. If you want to smell expensive, you should get your hands on these. So yeah, these are the perfumes I use currently. But I'm working on building up my perfume like line. So brands, if you want to work with me, can catch me up, call me up, just send me a mail and I'll be ready to answer your request. So I use my perfumes on the pulse points of my body. I use it on my wrist, behind my ears, on behind my hands, behind my legs, and also on my body. So yeah, that's where I spray my perfumes on. I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to leave a comment behind. I would like to know the tips and tricks on how you smell good every day. See you in my next video.